Good afternoon, guys. And what's on the table today? What's on the table today, guys? We have our G-Body door handles color matched towards the vehicle because my vehicle came from the factory with color matched door handles. So I painted them the same color as my car. I have one that's done and dry. All I have to do is clean it up around its edges some, and it turned out phenomenal. So I need to clean that top edge because just from the tape lines, I'm gonna clean that up and have it looking beautiful. All right, what product I use today? Um, I got the recommended this from Bodyman D. Bodyman D. He told me about this speed coat, and this stuff is phenomenal. I use it for all my smaller parts. For my big parts, I use a different clear, but for my small parts that I've been painting on different vehicles for the last year, I've been using this. I probably only got like a quarter left in it. I ordered this one from Amazon. This clear is phenomenal. Um, I wish I had something else that I cleared a long time ago so you guys can see it doesn't yellow. Um, it's really clean. I have mixed this up before I use it and poured it in the cup, and I let it sit for like maybe I say 3 months to see if it shrink. I had no shrinkage, no yellowing, anything in this product. And this product, it comes with the activator. This is a really good product. And when I bought this was over a year ago, I think. Maybe a year and a half ago, year and a half ago, somewhere in there. I think I paid like $60 for this setup. 55, $60 for this setup. I haven't checked it lately. But 55, $60 for this setup. Really good clear. And I go to my local uh, shop place and I have them always put some paint in the can for me. But you guys see that top? This top is that top. You can switch it like this for less paint to come out or more paint to come out the can. This is really, really a phenomenal can. I really enjoy it. I control a can very well, and as you can see, I can lay that clear on nice, very well. I use my paint gun. My paint gun is probably almost 20 years old. Yep, almost 20 years old. I think I got it like in 2005. And Bodyman D also let me know about this because I hadn't cleaned my gun in the last in a while. So he put me on this 3M high power spray gun cleaner to clean my gun. So I cleaned my gun before this one, and it turned out nice. And I really, man, I got an old gun. I think I got it from like Sherman Williams years ago, and then I just used some. And like I said, I scuffed them all the way down to bare metal on those, and I just used some Rust-Oleum etching primer to get those handles looking like that. And I use these cups. I grabbed them cheap guns from Harbor Freight just to get these cups, and I use these cups sometimes just for cleaning. And if I'm painting, I use that PPS system where it has the plastic top with the liners you can throw away. So guys, that's a quick episode of what's on the table today, guys. I thought the gun was on this table, but it's not in this box. So I can show you my gun that I use. I got a real nice, heavy, old gun. Hold on, guys. I'm going to put you guys down for a second. Yep, that's my gun. I only use this gun for clear. It has a 1/4 tip, and I'll just use this gun for cleaning. So I'm going to give this gun a major cleaning. Again, I just sprayed some gun cleaning down here and here, and then I just use this top for cleaning just to clean it out. And then probably next week I'm gonna put it in a gun cleaner and really get this gun clean with some good solvent, break it back down, because I don't think I have to do any painting now because I'm gonna have my buddy Carlos paint the fender on a vehicle I bought and I'm selling. So I'm gonna have him paint that fender. So yeah, so I won't probably be doing any more painting for a while. All right, guys, that's a quick episode of What's on the Table today, guys. I'll catch you guys later. Stay safe and be blessed.